Good day, sir. Uh, Today I will explain my output for the Excel basics and data analytics activity. My goal for this exercise was to learn how to manage data structured, perform basic calculations, and visualize information. Then copy. Sige lang. Copy, then go to Excel website, paste, copy, okay. And go to Excel exercises. First is a basic calculation. Create a new column called total sales. Total sales. Then copy the formula, the E2 and F2. E2, then enter. Then drag it down. Then next is the summarization. At the bottom of your data calculation, the core metrics. Total items sold, average order value, and number of orders. Then copy, paste. Then same process, average order value, copy, then paste. Then the next is the number of order and copy the formula. And as you can see, makita ra sa babaw ang formula. Then kung pila kabukang quantity sa E2 sa 2 to 20. Then same process, copy the formula, then paste. Wait. Okay. Then so nakita na siya ang total sales sa G2 to G20. Then enter. Next is same process, copy the formula. Then kita ang formula sa babaw o ang iyang order ID sa A2 to so A20. Then enter. Yan nakita. The next is the conditional formatting or visualize data. Our goal is
I mean,
I mean is the sorting and filtering or highlights your header to go to data and filter. Then highlight, then go to data, filter, uh, show only laptops. Then select all and check laptops. Apply. And then sort the total sales column for largest to smallest to find the biggest order. So sort now delete. Search largest to smallest. So, as you can see, nakita ni mo dira na nag-unang dako pagamay. Pisti wala ito.
Ano yung nakonta na?
Then, number 4 is conditional formatting or visualizing data. Our goal is how to learn to quickly spot trend and outliers without reading every number. Exercise highlights the total sales column. Then go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rows and greater than, set it to highlight any cells over $100 with green fill and dark green text. Then all cells, home, then conditional formatting greater than, then 100. Green fill with dark green text. So, muna siya, then done. So, nana siya. The next is our basic charting or telling a story. Our goal here is turn raw numbers into a visual summary. And exercise highlights the product column, hold the control key or CMD on Mac and highlights total sales. And go to insert recommended chart and select the clustered column, bar chart and title like total sales by product. So later on, I will show you the process. And ito Excel,
Kolong.
highlight the product column, then control to the total sales. Then go to insert, then copy, highlight, then go to clustered column. Then rename the total sales to total sales by product. Copy, then rename the total sales, then okay. Then that's so this is my final output for activity 1. Thank you for listening.